Azure Cosmos DB is Microsoft's globally distributed, multi-model NoSQL database service. It's designed to provide low-latency access to data anywhere in the world, making it ideal for modern applications that need to serve users across multiple geographic regions. Whether you're building a mobile app, a web platform, or an IoT solution, Cosmos DB offers the flexibility and performance you need. Let's understand what makes Cosmos DB special. First, it's a fully managed service, meaning Microsoft handles all the infrastructure, maintenance, and updates for you. It offers global distribution, allowing you to replicate your data across Azure regions worldwide with just a few clicks. As a multi-model database, it supports multiple data models and a PIS, giving you flexibility in how you structure and query your data. Finally, it provides elastic scaling, automatically adjusting throughput and storage based on your application's needs. Cosmos DB supports 6 different API models. The NoSQL API is the native option, designed for JSON document storage. The MongoDB API provides wire protocol compatibility with MongoDB, making migration easy. The Gremlin API enables graph database queries for relationship-heavy data. The Cassandra API supports the column family data model. The Table API offers simple key-value storage. And the PostgreSQL API provides distributed PostgreSQL capabilities. This multi-model approach means you can choose the right tool for your specific use case. Cosmos DB offers 5 consistency levels to balance between data consistency and performance. Strong consistency provides linearizability guarantee, ensuring reads always return the most recent write, but with higher latency. Bounded staleness lets reads lag behind writes by a specified time or number of operations. Session consistency maintains consistency within a client session and is the default setting. Consistent prefix ensures reads never see out-of-order writes. And eventual consistency offers no ordering guarantee but provides the lowest latency. You can choose the level that best fits your application's requirements. Understanding partitioning is crucial for Cosmos DB performance. A partition key is a logical grouping mechanism that distributes your data across physical partitions for horizontal scaling. Choosing the right key is critical. You should select high cardinality properties with even distribution to avoid hot partitions and maximize throughput. Each logical partition can store up to 20 gigabytes of data, but you can have unlimited throughput across multiple partitions. A well-chosen partition key is essential for optimal performance. Cosmos DB uses request units, or RU per second, as its currency for throughput. You have 3 pricing models to choose from. Provision throughput lets you reserve capacity in advance with predictable performance, best for steady workloads. Serverless mode means you pay only for consumed request units with automatic scaling, ideal for intermittent or unpredictable traffic. Autoscale automatically adjusts between minimum and maximum RU per second based on usage, perfect for variable workloads. As a reference, 1 RU equals the cost of reading a 1 kilobyte document by ID, while writes and queries consume more RS. Let's look at how to create a Cosmos DB container using the C SDK first. You create a database using the createDatabaseIfNotExistsAsync method. Then, you define container properties including the container ID and partition key path. In this example, we're using /user ID as the partition key. Finally, you create the container with the createContainerIfNotExistsAsync method, specifying a throughput of 400 request units per second. This code demonstrates the basic setup needed to start storing data in Cosmos DB. Cosmos DB offers industry-leading service-level agreements. For availability, you get 99.999% uptime for multi-region write configurations. Latency is guaranteed at less than 10 milliseconds at the 99th percentile for both reads and writes. Throughput is guaranteed at 99.99%, ensuring your provisioned capacity is always available. And consistency is honored at 100%, meaning your chosen consistency level is always maintained. These SLAs make Cosmos DB one of the most reliable database services available. Cosmos DB includes several advanced features. Change feed enables real-time event-driven processing whenever data changes in your containers. Time to live, or TTL, allows automatic document expiration and deletion. Indexing policies provide automatic indexing with customizable options to optimize query performance. Stored procedures enable server-side JavaScript execution for transactional operations. Backup and restore features include automatic continuous backups every 4 hours. And multi-region writes support active-active replication across regions, allowing writes from multiple locations simultaneously. Cosmos DB excels in several common scenarios. For e-commerce and retail, it powers product catalogs, shopping carts, and real-time inventory management systems. In gaming, it handles player profiles, leaderboards, and session state with the low-latency access gamers demand. For mobile and web applications, it manages user profiles, personalization, and content management at global scale. And for IoT and telemetry applications, it provides efficient time series, data ingestion, and real-time analytics from millions of connected devices. These use cases demonstrate Cosmos DB's versatility across different industries and application types.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.